Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Studying is with Saini. I'm Saini. I hope you all are good.
Today we will discuss questions of chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind, class 9, Beehive book. Question 1. Explain what the reasons for the following are. A. Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. Reason. Einstein did not like the extremely strict discipline of the school. He often clashed with his teachers, so he left the school for good. B. Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than Munich. Reason. Einstein felt stifled in Munich, but the atmosphere in Switzerland was more liberal. That was why Einstein wanted to study there. Question C. Einstein seeing in Mileva and ally. What do these tell you about Einstein? Reason. Like Einstein, Mileva was also opposed to Philistines. She was very intelligent also. That was why Einstein saw an ally in her. All these incidents show that Einstein loved to have freedom of thought and expression. He hated any kind of bigotry. Question 2. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? Answer. He called the drawer the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. While working in his office, he secretly worked at his theory of relativity also. He kept all his papers in his desk drawer. That was why he called it the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Question 3. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Answer. The Nazis in Germany had made the discovery of nuclear fission. Now they could make an atom bomb easily. Einstein wrote to Franklin to warn him how destructive an atom bomb could be. Question 4. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Answer. Einstein was shocked at the extent of destruction caused by the bomb. He wrote a long letter to the United Nations. He suggested that there should be a world government. Now he started campaigning for peace and democracy. Next question, question 5. Why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? This is most important question. Answer. Einstein was a great supporter of peace and democracy. He was in favor of a world government. He wanted all the world to function as one unit. That is why the world remembers him as a world citizen. Now he started campaigning for peace and democracy.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you. See you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.